MaxR is a 30-month innovation action, co-funded by the European Union, with our UK partners being co-funded by Innovate UK. MaxR stands for Mixed, Augmented and Extended Reality Media Pipeline. The project is developing, validating and demonstrating a complete pipeline of tools for making, processing and delivering maximum quality XR content. The pipeline is based on open APIs, file and data transfer formats, enabling the development and supporting the integration of new XR tools. Building on research and advances in virtual production technologies, we are to develop real-time processes and tools that deliver better quality, greater efficiency, ease of use, and interoperability between proprietary and open-source software. The new tools and processes will enhance interactivity and novel content based on XR media data. The MaxR Consortium unites a unique mixture of Europe's leading media technology developers and researchers, together with creative organisations operating in AR, VR, XR, virtual production, interactive games, new media, TV, video and news media, immersive performance, and companies specialising in advanced technologies for the creative industries. Now, in month 24 of the 30-month project, all 11 partners are focused on integrating and validating the developed tools, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. This phase is crucial for demonstrating the practical applicability and transformative potential of the MaxR pipeline in real-world scenarios. Universitat Pompeu Fabra welcomes you to Rooms, an open-source platform for creating 3D content for XR experiences, directly on XR-enabled hardware. Rooms has been created with the aim of democratizing content creation, allowing anyone to create full XR experiences with 3D sculpted assets and animations. Using constructive solid geometry and signed distance fields, Rooms offers an intuitive sculpting experience, making complex modeling accessible to all skill levels. Easily add, transform and edit 3D nodes within your scenes. Export and import assets to build diverse experiences. Rooms prioritizes intuitive and responsive VR interactions. Its clean UI design, shaped by user feedback, ensures a smooth and productive creative process. Optimized for performance and powered by WGPU engine developed by UPF GTI, Rooms delivers fluid and immersive experiences. This advanced engine leverages the new Web GPU API, offering universal accessibility and superior performance across various platforms. Rigid animations are fully supported in the engine, with skeletal animations coming soon. Join UPF in Rooms and bring your creative visions to life in the world of XR. The Wireless Networking Group at Universitat Pompeu Fabra is exploring Wi-Fi functionalities and configurations to optimize large-scale, multi-user interactive VR streaming, ensuring good quality of experience for users. Using Wi-Fi 6, UPF has analysed the interplay between VR traffic and Wi-Fi, adjusting key VR streaming parameters such as bitrate and frame rate, as well as Wi-Fi settings. Their research examines Wi-Fi performance in terms of the maximum number of VR users supported per access point, coverage areas and channel widths, while revealing the limitations of certain advanced multi-user features. To handle Wi-Fi capacity fluctuations caused by channel access contention, interference in user mobility, they have developed an adaptive video bitrate algorithm tailored for interactive VR streaming. This algorithm adjusts the video bitrate in response to network capacity drops, significantly reducing image stuttering and providing a smoother user experience. Currently, a preliminary version is being tested using ALVR, with further enhancements anticipated by the end of the MaxR project. UPF's contributions advance the understanding of interactive VR streaming and provide targeted solutions for high-demand, large-scale, multi-user XR experiences over Wi-Fi. Disguise has developed a number of tools to streamline various aspects of the XR production pipeline, These prototypes are designed to solve a variety of problems across the virtual production ecosystem in order to streamline workflows and enhance the ability of production teams to bridge the gap between real and virtual worlds. As part of Maxar, Disguise developed RS Connect, a new system for transmitting data and metadata out of their designer ecosystem and into post-production, metaverse and streaming software. Working in conjunction with partner technologies, RS Connect will streamline the data handling process, allowing for teams to monitor and store data for a deeper understanding of the production environment. Remote re-imaging, an improved method for imaging their rendering servers that allow for the ability to flash several servers simultaneously over a connected network. Implementing this will allow for teams working with larger server farms to quickly and efficiently update their servers to ensure they're ready for the demands of whatever production the crew will tackle next. Depth reprojection, a revolutionary new algorithm for compensating for the movement of a camera filming an XR stage. Reprojection allows for a more seamless change in perspective for the camera by using a depth mapping algorithm to realign the elements being displayed on the screen to compensate for the new position the camera has moved to, giving cinematographers more options for how they choose to use their cameras in hybrid productions. And much more, including implementing industry-standard OCIO algorithms into the Disguise color control setup and integrating their HTTP Sock Puppet API with their Porta tool for greater control of the video elements being displayed in a broadcast XR environment. All these tools will be integrated with partner developments and will contribute to building a more streamlined and flexible pipeline for the future of XR technology. Throughout Maxar, Foundry have been focusing on bringing their industry-standard image-centric expertise to the world of virtual production. Foundry developed a real-time compositing engine and toolset for staging, rendering and driving content to an LED volume. Along with their real-time compositing engine, they've developed a number of pre-trained machine learning models that they hope will open up a number of different near real-time on-set workflows. To help manage pertinent metadata produced by various hardware components on a virtual production shoot, Foundry have developed a metadata repository called the Vault for collecting and publishing metadata, useful for adding additional context to content produced with the aim of streamlining post-production processes. Finally, Foundry has developed an open standard called OpenAsset.io, currently available to the public in its beta phase. The open standard has been adopted by the ASWF at the sandbox stage. OpenAsset.io provides a common, vendor-agnostic dialogue between content creation tools and centralized asset management systems. It aims to reduce the integration effort and maintenance overhead of content creation pipelines. OpenAsset.io also paves the way for new, scalable, standardized, asset-centric workflows by enabling tools and asset management systems to freely communicate with each other without needing to know any specifics of the respective implementations. This will lead to better workflows for artists and less work for developers compared to traditional file-based workflows. As part of Maxar, FilmLight developed a lightweight but powerful and flexible color grading system called Quasar. This system brings FilmLight's world-class color management and color grading tools to real-time applications like Epic Games' Unreal Engine or project partner Brainstorm's Infinity Set. The UI is conveniently served in a web browser. This allows access to the color grading toolset from laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Quasar's rendering is a lightweight material expression, allowing the application of corrections in various workflows and use cases. Object, volume, and post-process correction are made easy and intuitive. Quasar brings three main tools to real-time graphics. First, FilmLight's color management system, TrueLight Color Spaces, brings motion picture color management to the real-time graphics arena. All color space and appearance models are applied in lightweight shader programs, instead of bulky and lossy lookup tables, allowing maximum efficiency and image fidelity on floating point arithmetic. The second component is base grade. FilmLight's battle-proven primary color grading tool. It operates in a scene-referred linear light space, perfect for visually plausible and realistic color correction. While operating in linear light, the user interface is expressed in a zone system, inspired by the Ansel Adams zone system. The last and most potent component is X-Grade, FilmLight's newly developed primary color grading tool, for robust and localized color edits. Expressed in an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, X-Grade allows a user to touch the colors of the image, enabling unmatched creative expression. X-Grade is also the critical tool for matching virtual backgrounds to live-action foregrounds in virtual production, turning challenging and laborious tasks into quick corrections at ease. FilmLight's Quasar unifies a simple and intuitive user experience with state-of-the-art image processing, based on the foundation of cutting-edge color science. Brainstorm's main objective in Maxar is enhancing its virtual production engine, InfinitySet, through the integration with various XR tools from the Maxar pipeline. The InfinitySet color correction plugin enables real-time color correction of any image or video in the virtual scene, from inserted presenters to virtual clips or any stage graphics. This integration with FilmLight's Quasar tool offers more natural results for virtual production. The VPET integration in InfinitySet enables easy, real-time adjustment of scene parameters, such as lighting and object movement via a tablet interface. This integration happens either through Unreal Engine or directly within InfinitySet. Brainstorm is also improving its highly demanded teleporting system, allowing remote participants to be placed in the same virtual environment. The main challenge is maintaining a realistic integration with fixed cameras. In Maxar, Brainstorm developed a cost-effective, synchronized tracking solution, with one camera transmitting real-time tracking data, while the other mimics these movements via a GUI, ensuring a seamless final scene. Finally, Brainstorm has developed a library of 150 virtual assets for broadcast environments, including scenarios for TED Talks, news, and more. These assets will be used in testing the integrations between Designer and InfinitySet, VPET and InfinitySet, and Quasar and InfinitySet. By providing integrated workflows based on robust metadata, ARRI is helping productions increase efficiency and creativity across their entire pipeline. They are making big steps towards integrated, all-IP MR production. The primary goal is to build integrations directly into digital content creation and post tools, and process metadata and specific workflow steps without any intermediate representations. ARRI's IP control and metadata protocols, CAP and MCP, enable the continuous capture of a wide range of on-set metadata, including camera position and orientation, lens metadata, recording resolution, as well as other camera settings. This metadata is time-stamped at their respective sources using clocks that are PTP synchronized to sub-microsecond precision and stored in a secure database. Maxar is the perfect environment for integration and validation of these new protocols into extended reality workflows involving virtual production, VFX, and post-production suites such as Nuke. There, the metadata is used to faithfully reconstruct the user-controlled camera in the virtual scene. The benefits are clear: reduced cost and risk, as well as easier operations and faster turnarounds. Improbable's core technology allows for over 10,000 real live participants who can all see, interact, and hear each other within the same digital space. Their state-of-the-art networking and rendering allows for intimacy at scale, where users can interact with every other user attending an event, or for smaller-scale spatial audio, and parties, where select groups of users can communicate and interact with each other only. Enabling Maxar Consortium members to deliver their own events and showcase their technologies, Improbable have released a self-serve platform allowing any Unreal Engine developer to create and execute their own massive interactive live events. Improbable's platform includes a developer and event dashboard available on a personalized website, allowing developers to download a modified version of the Unreal editor. The editor allows for typical Unreal development, with the added functionality to upload builds directly to Improbable's cloud platform. All builds created in Improbable's Unreal editor have the required networking, rendering, and audio capabilities baked in, reducing the need for a deep understanding of how Improbable's technology works and allowing for quick development and iteration. Once builds are uploaded, the self-serve developer portal allows for these builds to be hosted as events. The event dialog allows for organizers to schedule when events will be available, the size of the allowed audience, as well as generate guest links. Once live, events can be accessed globally from either the included Pixel streaming service or via a native download. The BBC has been investigating how live events such as concerts can be presented in an interactive and immersive multiplayer space using a game engine. This has the potential to bring new audiences to live music and to enable those joining remotely to interact and explore the event in ways that go far beyond what would be possible through traditional media. An important requirement is the ability to capture a music performance, including aspects such as stage lighting without intruding on the event itself. Therefore, the BBC has been investigating approaches using a small number of video cameras rather than volumetric or motion capture. They have been recording various live music performances, capturing a front-on view of the stage and views from either side. They also created virtual venues for Unreal Engine and conducted experiments on how to make the video of the stage look as present as possible in the virtual world. These included different methods to switch between camera views as a user's avatar moves around, and ways of synchronizing virtual lighting to the real stage lights. The experience has been ported to Improbable's platform to support multi-user trials. Filmakademie Baden-Württemberg has released the first version of open-source solutions for XR production, aiming to democratize XR media creation. These tools are built on the Tracer Foundation framework, a software-agnostic communication infrastructure and toolset that enables interoperability between open-source and proprietary tools. As part of Maxar, Filmakademie is developing and advancing 3 key tools utilizing this framework: VPET, DataHub, and AnimHost. VPET, the virtual production editing tools, enable real-time scene editing through an intuitive interface. Within Maxar, VPET's functionality has been significantly enhanced to meet the needs of Brainstorm's Infinity Set platform for virtual studio productions. VPET is also vital to the digital locations demonstrator being developed together with UPF. DataHub serves as a communication infrastructure, ensuring interoperability between open source and proprietary tools in XR production pipelines. It stores and synchronizes incoming data and functions as a scene server. AnimHost connects animation generators to digital content creation applications, on-set tools like VPET or game engines in general. It explores XR production processes for animated films, utilizing machine learning with a fair use of data and an artists-in-the-loop approach. Tracer Foundation, VPET, DataHub, and AnimHost are open source and can be accessed through their GitHub repository. Innovation meets immersion at Hasselt University, where cutting-edge technology is transforming the XR landscape. Hasselt University has created advanced tools for tracking XR devices across large, complex environments. These innovative tools ensure that virtual experiences remain perfectly synchronized with reality, allowing for immersive, tactile interactions. Designed with user comfort as a priority, this cutting-edge tracking technology is compatible with most commercially available XR headsets. Beyond enhancing live cultural performances, it has potential for revolutionizing fields such as utility maintenance and manufacturing. Hasselt University has developed a framework for streaming XR graphical content using the GL transmission format. This framework is designed to adapt to varying network conditions intelligently. ensuring smooth and high-quality XR experiences over best effort networks. By dynamically adjusting the content delivery, Hasselt University's framework makes immersive XR accessible across various end-user devices, from professional systems to commercial XR headsets. With this innovative approach, users can immediately begin experiencing a gradually more complete version of the XR scene as it streams, rather than waiting for a full download before any rendering can commence. This means users dive into the XR experience seamlessly, with the environment progressively enriching in detail as the content loads. Crew have been developing innovative live performances incorporating new XR technologies and showcasing the possibilities to a real-world audience. Features such as large area tracking, wirelessly streaming high-quality VR content, and large participative live performances, all developed in close collaboration with fellow Maxar partners. Together with Hasselt, Crew is developing a vendor-agnostic solution for large area tracking, allowing users to safely navigate through complex physical environments while remaining fully immersed in VR. By using wireless streaming technology, users can be simply equipped with a light headset while still viewing high-quality VR content. In collaboration with UPF, Crew is providing real-world use cases where these technologies are tested in a diverse range of situations, providing valuable research data to further optimize experiences. Anxious Arrivals is their first production to incorporate many of these new technologies and has already been performed at multiple locations to both test participants and real-world audiences, whose feedback has proven very useful to further the research in these new, novel user experiences. Together with BBC and Improbable, Crew is researching an innovative way of presenting live musical performances in a massively multiplayer environment. Crew has developed a new artistic language to maximally showcase the potential of these newly developed techniques. In Maxar, the collaborative efforts continue to pave the way for cutting-edge advancements in XR media production, poised to set new industry standards. Stay tuned for new developments through our website and our social media channels.